Russia's tactics have relied mainly on overwhelming artillery power, with massive amounts of ground forces to follow, as Ukraine has received capability to strike both ammunition depots, logistic and equipment further back. Russia's advance struggled, and even holding on to taken territory. But while Russia holds a large variety of weapon systems that they can use, they struggle with precision in higher quantities, where they drain their high-precision missile like the Caliber and the Iskander fairly quickly, needing to be much more restrictive, now rely on more unguided rocket and artillery, and tanks with poor situational awareness. But while we have seen Iranian drones like the Shahed 136 working to terrorize the Ukrainian population and hitting infrastructure, these don't do much against Ukraine's military capability. The drone is quite large and slow moving, but this kind of threat is fairly new, which results in lacking equipment to defend against these loitering swarm drones. In a more efficient manner, the drone can be used with inertial navigation system and GPS, meaning it can target static or position target like building. Russia holds, however, a far more efficient weapon, the Lancet Drone, taking range, targeting capability, precision, destructive power, and cost into account. This is probably Russia's most efficient weapon system. While on paper it doesn't sound too impressive, the range of tens of kilometers, a warhead of 1 to 3 kilograms depending on the version of the Lancet, and being steered by an operator, makes it a slow-moving, small precision missile, more than half the size of the Shahed drone, and a lot more quiet. It's much harder to detect and shoot down. Russia seems to use a reconnaissance drone to spot the target, to then send out the Lancet drone, while the warhead is small and multiple times smaller than the Shahed drone. It compensates with precision and does the job either to disable or destroy its target. The Lancet is basically the opposite to Russia's other equipment, for instance the TOS-1, which is a large thermobaric multiple rocket launcher system. The biggest pros of the drone is its flexibility, precision, and low cost. This solution is however not something unique. The Lancet 1 have many similarity with the Switchblade 300, which Ukraine have received around 400 of. The Lancet 3 resemble the Switchblade 600 in capability, which Ukraine only received a dozen or so this far. Ukraine has also started to see larger amounts of the fairly unknown Phoenix Ghost drone, getting 1100 drones in the latest military aid package. As both sides starting to figure out the effectiveness of these systems, we will most likely see these in larger quantities, as production can be ramped up a lot quicker and produce a lot more per year with a smaller price tag, turning the battlefield more to a drone war. Russia will most likely struggle to keep up production, as sanctions hamper their supply chain with components. The two companies supply the Switchblade and the Phoenix Ghost drone are talking about capability to produce many thousands of drones per year if needed. As Ukraine has claimed their success with these drones, they will most likely see a larger uptick of supply as production is catching up. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.